The reason you are not getting views on YouTube is because of your thumbnail. Thumbnail is one of the vital criteria of getting views on YouTube. Are you getting it? So now the problem is that how do you create a catchy thumbnail? Because sometimes somebody will see a thumbnail that is very attractive. Once you see it, the first thing you do is to click on it. Now, if the video does not interest you, then you can now scroll. But when you see an interesting, like when you see, they say that the eye eats before the mouth. You understand? So if you look at something that this person may have a nice content, but because he does not know how to create thumbnail, you see, nobody will click his video unless maybe his subscriber, people that knows that he has a good content. But with a very catchy thumbnail, you'll be catching new subscribers. So in this video, I'll be teaching you simply how to create thumbnail using your CapCut. So first thing you do is you go to your Chrome browser and then download some images, a blank space, a blank image. So you can search for blank images. If you search blank images, you click on this image. You click on these images. Once you click on these images, then click on the images, then they will now come out. Download all these blank space. These are what you will use for your thumbnail. You download them. Download them. Now, download as many as you can. Like this one is very beautiful. You can download this one. You will see more that are very beautiful. You can come here. You see this one, background blank images. These ones are very, very beautiful. You can download them. Once you are done downloading the ones you want, then now I'm going to create a thumbnail for a video I made about how to use a LED light. So you first of all, you take a picture of that LED light, or you download it. You can download the picture of that LED light. So let me look for the picture of that LED light. That LED light is called, I think, LED light 800. I think 800. Yes, LED light 800. So that is it. So I can download this one. Sorry, go to images. Let's go to images. If you come to images, that is it. You can download this one. Download the image. You can download this one. Download the image. Which other one? This one is good. Download this image. So after downloading the image of what you want, right? After downloading the images of what you want, so the next thing you are going to do now is to you go to your CapCut. So let's go to CapCut. You go to CapCut. Once you enter CapCut, now you click on new project. You click on new project. You come to image. See image here. Sorry, photos. Come to these photos. You click on these photos. Then you can now put in one of your blank space. Let me look for a catchy one that I downloaded before. I like blue very well. Blue is my favorite color. So let me use this one. Now, once you use this one, you add it. You add it. See add here. See add. You click on add. Add it. Okay. It will open. Now, once it open, this is not the size of YouTube. Then the next thing you do is you look for what is it called? You click back. Please click that back. That back I saw here. Then you now look for aspect ratio. This is aspect ratio. You click on aspect ratio, and then this is for YouTube. You see, they even drew YouTube there for you to know that that thing is for YouTube. So this one 16 dot dot colon 99 is for YouTube. So I'll click on it. It will change it like this. Then you can use your hand and turn it to fit into what you want. Then you increase it to fit into what you want. You see, then I can now start what I'm doing. Then the next thing is that you do overlay. You overlay some of those pictures that you have created. Or first of all, before you overlay, we can come here and type in what's the title of our video. So if I click here, I will now click on this add text. I'll click on add text. Then I can now type. The title of the video is how to use LED light. How to use LED light. How to use LED light how to use LED light. Okay, so now the next thing we do is to, now if you look at this image now, this write up doesn't really look well. So the next thing you do is you go to style to style it up so that it will make sense. So you click on style, then you can scroll by the side and choose anyone you want. This one looks good. Black, blue and green. Does it look good? Yellow, white. I think this white is good. Okay, let's use this white. Okay, so now since you have written this, then another thing, you can just, let me add another text. Let me add another text. The text I want to add now, how to use LED light 800. Sorry. Okay, how to use LED light. It's supposed to be LED light 800. Sorry. Let me click on this one. If you click on text, sorry. If you click on text, you now click on, sorry, mark good. Then click on this one so that, let me adjust it and add LED light 800. Okay. Or you just you have to use LED light. Okay, LED light 800. So you now adjust it with your two hands. I do adjust with my two hands. Text, adjust with your two hands. So you adjust with your two hands so that uh people will be seeing the text very well. You make it bold to fit in so that people will be seeing it. So let me add another text. I can say how to use LED light 800 for a clear video. Okay, to make a clear, I can say clear YouTube video. You adjust it with your two hands. I'm adjusting it with my two hands to fit into what, to fit into this space. Aha. So look at it. How to use LED light 800 to make a clear YouTube video. Now the next thing we have to do is to go back. You press back, then you press back again. Look at the back, this back here. You click on the back again. Then you now overlay. You now start overlaying those pictures you downloaded. So you click on this, then now add overlay. You click on add overlay. This is it, add overlay. If I click on add overlay, I will now bring in those pictures. Bring in the first one. Then you adjust it with your two hands to fit in. So this is it. This is fitting here. Then you can snap a picture with that image, okay, and put your picture that you have with that image. Sorry. You can put your picture you have with that image. It will make sense as well for people to know that you are really the one. But I did not snap picture with it. Okay, I did, but unfortunately, it is in my other phones. Okay, it is not in this particular phone. So then the next thing I have to do is overlay other picture as well. I can overlay this one. Then I think I should overlay YouTube as well. I can overlay YouTube. Nice one. So the last thing I'm going to overlay should be YouTube. But since I do not have YouTube, so let me just overlay this last one. Aha. I think it has already fitting. Does it look catchy? I tried anyways. I'm not really a graphic designer, but I just try. So it's gradually you will get used to it, and then from before you know it, you start making a very catchy thumbnail that will attract you more customers on YouTube. Right? So that is my thumbnail. So once you are done, then what you have to do is to screenshot. You screenshot you screenshot that image and your thumbnail is ready, and that's what I'm going to be using for that particular video. So thank you very much for watching again. Please always encourage us by clicking on that subscribe button and then liking the video and comment. Please like the video and comment. Right, bye bye, see you on the next video. But before then, I think the white is too much. Let me change the color of this text to another, maybe green. Don't really, this one looks somehow. Sorry, let me use this one. So let me style it and change it to, I think this one looks better, right? Or yellow. Yellow. No. If you are good at color, then you can use anyone you like. But let me change this white. I feel that white doesn't really look good. Okay, this one is okay. Style. Use this one. Yeah, I think this one is okay. So that is that for your thumbnail. Bye bye.